This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by sorting and prepping quickly. Remove all items from pockets and group whites, colors, and delicates. Once done, pre-treat visible stains so they lift during the wash. You load garments loosely. Do not overpack, so water and detergent move freely. Next, add measured detergent to the tray or drum. Use the machine's recommended amount. Turn the power on and select a basic cycle to start the process. This gets the drum agitating and water filling efficiently. You now choose the detailed settings that control how clean and preserved your clothes will be. Set temperature based on fabric care. Cold for colors to prevent bleeding, warm for mixed loads, hot only for sturdy whites. Adjust spin speed, lower for delicates, higher for towels, to remove water without damage. Make sure to place softener and bleach in designated compartments. They release at the correct time. Once configured, press start and watch the cycle begin so you know water, agitation. You finish by removing clothes as soon as the cycle stops to avoid mildew and deep wrinkles. Give each item a quick shake before transferring to the dryer or hanging. Make sure to leave the door and detergent drawer open briefly so the interior air dries, and wipe the rubber gasket to remove trapped moisture. Clean the lint filter and check drains periodically for buildup. If the washer won't start or vibrates heavily, check that the load is balanced and the machine is level. That single adjustment often fixes common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.